testing video for sowasy app. Here we have the app icon. Here is the splash screen. So here is the loading screen. Now you have to accept the permission. Now the app will uh, use the location. So here you can choose from the Google map as well. So on clicking next, confirm pin location, it will choose either it's you want to become a user or provider. So I'm currently showing the user app. So on clicking user, you have to choose the login option. So for login, you have to enter the details. So here we have the number. So on clicking, it will show the good morning Umesh, the current location. And this is the scrolling screen. Here we have different categories: pets, babysitting, learning, and spa and wellness, cleaning service. So on clicking anyone, so let's go to the furniture one. So you have to select the next. So as you can see, we have the furniture and its other categories. So on clicking next, as you can also add on your card, and you can view here in the summary section. Here you can see popular add-ons, and let's go to next. Here are the date and time. You have to assign which one you want. You can select your date, you can select your time slot. Here is the cancellation details. Go to next. So here is a summary, and you can choose what you want. Now this is the, so let's go back. So let's go to the booking section. Here are your upcoming and past booking. So on clicking any one booking, you will see all the details like confirm status, and you can chat with your professional, you can get help. It will show you some drop downs with some questions, and here are the booking details. You can click see more and you will see the details, and you can edit your booking, add instructions, and get help. So here is the more details. So here on your past, you can see, you can rate your provider, you can see the receipts in past bookings. You can book again, you can rate your professional, you can click, you can get help. Here we have drop downs. Here we have offer sections. You can see and you can view and click on it. Next we have credit section. You can buy your credits and shop, and you can select categories as well. So this is the profile section. You can see the profile photo, and here you can see profile photos, images, and name. Here is the edit section for the profile. You can edit your number, name, email address, number, flat number, direction, etc. You can see all your purchases, what you have ordered. You can click on it and you will see the details. This is the credit packs. You can see the credits, you can buy credits. This is the wallet section. You can see all your transaction, credit available, usage limit, etc. You can see the payment section. You can add your card, you can view a card, and this is the gift section. You can add or gift your cards. Here we have addresses. You can save or add your addresses on the basis of work, home, and others. Here we have contact us. You can contact the app owner. You have to enter your email ID, subject and descriptions, and it will go to the admin panel. Here is the rate as on. It will redirect you to the Play Store. This is the about section, and you can switch your account. Just click on OK. It's a logout. So let's go to the home page. This is it. Thank you. Share your feedback.